Here are some examples of solving equations using substitution via Mr. Nemo, Mrs. Buen, and any student with their input. First problem we're looking at is 3x plus 4y equals 9 and y equals x minus 3. We want to find the solution of this system, finding the ordered pair x comma y. So we need to find the value of x and we need to find the value of y. So the first thing I want to know is there a way I can find the value of x or y or isolate x or y? And if you notice in this equation, the y is already by itself. So I can now substitute the value of y into the other equation and solve for x. So I'm going to write the equation, the first one, over again. And in place of y, I'm going to put the value x minus 3. So now I have 3x plus 4 times x minus 3 equals 9. Now we must distribute, otherwise known as pretty arrows, before we go any farther. So we have 3x plus 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 3, 12, equals 9. Next step would be to simplify, combining like terms. If they're on the same side, we add them. Our like terms 3x and 4x are on the same side. 12 is not on the same side as 9. Since I have subtraction of 12, I'm going to do the opposite, which is add 12 to both sides, getting us 21. Last step, most of the time in solving equations, is divide. So we will divide both sides by 7, and the first part of our solution is 3. X equals 3. Now, the hard part. Now we know what x is. So we can plug it in or replace an x in one of the equations in order to get the value for y. I look for the simplest operations to find the value of y. If I look at the second equation, y equals x minus 3, I know that if I put 3 in there instead of x, all I need to do is subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the system of the solution, SOS, or the solution of the system, is x comma y, 3 comma 0. Okay? Second problem, we have two equations, x equals 7y minus 10 and 3x minus 2y equals 8. If you notice, x equals 7y minus 10 already is solved for x, so we can plug it in here. So 3 times all of x, 7y minus 10 minus 2y equals 8. Distribute, I get 21y minus 30 minus 2y equals 8. So combine my like terms, 21y minus 2y, that's 19y. I can add 30 to both sides. I get 38. Last step, divide. I get y equals 2. So I'm going to go plug it in and look at the simplest operations I can. I can plug it into either equation to get the value of x, but this one's already solved for x. So I can set, instead of y, I can put 2. So I have x equals 14 minus 10, x equals 4. The solution is 4, comma 2. The answer 4, comma 2 is the point where the two equations intersect or cross each other.
Okay, Miss Buen and Mr. You are the best teachers in the world.